What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Astro Finesse. It's your boy Lil Finesse and Jiggy Hippie back with another video for y'all. In this video right here, we're going to be talking about if you have soul urge number 22. And I'll pause for the cause. If you don't know what your soul urge number is, if you're a new subscriber, if you're just starting off your journey of self-love, self-knowledge, self-understanding, self-awareness, if you don't realize why it's so important that you have to learn yourself, study yourself, and overall love yourself through numerology and astrology, don't worry, I got you. There's a couple of videos, I'll put the link in the description. You have to watch them first so you can become hip to the knowledge of what I'm about to talk about right now. So if you did your math and you realize you have a soul urge number 22, this video is for you. So without further ado, let's just get it popping, shall we? Alright, so boom, soul urge number 22. First of all, what does the soul urge number mean? Why is it important to understand your soul urge number? And how does that affect you in this reality, in this lifetime? So in numerology, the soul urge number, also known as a heart's desire number, lets you know what your heart desires, what your soul urges, what your soul craves. It's like more of an inner drive or inner yearning for what you want in this lifetime. It lets you know what your motivational factor is. Why do you wake up in the morning so ambitious? Why do you wake up in the morning so lazy? Why do you wake up in the morning so disorganized? It lets you know the inner drive of what you're doing, what your soul wants and craves in this lifetime. It derives back from our past life energy, past life experiences, how we were in our past life, coming into this new lifetime. Now our soul craves and urges whatever number it's in. And it's derived from taking the vowels from your full name, full, first, middle, last name on your birth certificate, changing the vowels into a numerical value, adding it up, and getting that number is going to be your soul urge number, the characteristic, the vibration, the energy that your soul in this reality craves and wants in this lifetime. It's important to know it because once you fall through your soul urge number, your soul urge characteristics, you get fulfillment in this lifetime, you get happiness in this lifetime. And in this case, when we're talking about master numbers, fulfill your mission in this lifetime. And I'll get into that. I'll get deep into that in this video, what the mission of master numbers are. So now, actually I'll get into it right now. Master numbers. So in numerology, the significance of master numbers, the reason why we don't add up 11 or add up 22 or add up 33, we leave it at master numbers because master numbers in numerology represent the soul that has reincarnated back into this reality, into this lifetime by choice in order to make a difference in humanity, in order to make a difference in the world. So their mission, their goal is they came back. They seen how messed up this world is. They seen the problems that has been going on in this world, and they came back by choice to leave a mark in this world, in this reality. So if you have a master number, whether it's your life path, soul urge, personal expression, anytime you have a master number in your numerological chart, it lets you know that you're here for a bigger purpose. That's why they're master numbers, higher vibrational. You're here for a bigger purpose. You're here to leave a mark and leave a legacy because you came back by choice to leave a mark and to leave a legacy. So it's your job. It's very imperative to really know what your purpose is and to carry that out because your mission is to leave a mark in this reality, in this world. So now what does it mean having a master number 22? Like I said, a lot of the experiences derive from my past life. So besides choosing to come down here to actually leave a mark, and I'll explain what kind of mark you're trying to leave in this reality. A lot of times in the past life, you felt that your eccentricity or your mind thinking outside the box was not met with merit or was not cherished in a way. You felt down on yourself because you wanted to make a change, you wanted to build something, you wanted to create something, but you felt that you have a uniqueness or quirkiness about you, or you just felt different, that when you wanted to share your vision with other people, they look at you and say, nah, that's not going to happen, or nah, that's not right, that's not the right way of doing it, or that's never going to be able to come to reality. So a lot of times your dreams and your goals were shut down when you were sharing your visions, and you felt very different and eccentric in a way. So what happens when your soul comes into this lifetime? What does your soul what does your soul yearn and urge for in this reality? What does your heart desire? To make a change by building something. 22 is a master builders. You have 2, which is the 2 energy, ruled by the planet of the moon. And also the base number, which is number 4, ruled by Uranus, is that builder energy. So these are master builders. And like I said, master numbers are here for a bigger purpose. So you have to add in the spirituality factor when it comes to master numbers. So y'all are spiritual master builders in this reality. So with this comes that these people have a really good way of organizing things, being disciplined, being steady, working hard, and working for things when it comes to the material reality, the material plane in this lifetime. Number 4 rules the foundational base. North, east, south, west, 4 sides to a square. Understand that number 4 represents foundation. So it's like the base of everything. So in the material realm, in this world, in this earthly realm, number 4 people can really thrive or are really great at bringing things into manifestation, bringing things into reality. Now having the 2 twos, which is 22, which is ruled by the moon, adds in the intuition factor, because like I said, 2 is ruled by the moon. So when you have this placement, when you have this energy resonating inside you, understand how important it is to trust in your intuition. Number 4, the base energy of number 4, and I have the Solar's number 4 video. Y'all can go watch that if you haven't already. But the base of the number 4 energy is they are afraid to take a risk because they're really stuck in the mundaneness, or they're really great at being steady and keeping things a certain way. They're really afraid to take a risk like that. Having this number 22 energy means that you have to evolve into trying to be more of the 2 energy, which is tapping into your emotion more, trying to tap into the intuition more instead of being so afraid to take a risk, but tapping into your intuition, tapping into your calling, tapping into your urging, tapping into that stomach feeling that whenever something feels like I should be doing this, but you're afraid to take the risk because logic says don't. It's like tapping into the intuition factor. And all in all, what that happens is y'all are able to manifest something by creating a vision. The 2 energy is all about intuition and imagination and ideas and creating something from the esoteric realm of like the emotional or the spiritual realm. So y'all have the energy of creating something in your mind. And then number 4 energy, the base energy of number 4 is about bringing things into manifestation, into reality by going through the grind and by working hard. So y'all could think of something and then also bring it into reality, having these 2 energies work together. But understand that also because your past life you felt down on yourself, you didn't really have confidence in your uniqueness and your quirkiness. Because remember, number 4 is ruled by Uranus. Uranus is all about being different, being innovative. Understand what could happen if you fail. Because this, when it comes to number 4, it's all about patience and discipline. So y'all have to be really patient and disciplined. At the same time, though, being a master number, y'all feel like y'all need to be doing something spectacular in this reality, spectacular in this world. So when it doesn't happen as fast as y'all perceive it to be, y'all can take that as failures, or y'all can take failures very deeply. Y'all can take failures to heart. Y'all can really be afraid to fail because that gives y'all depression. But understand that with this placement, it's all about patience, discipline, going through the motions. Y'all will face a lot of obstacles because master numbers in general, they come back because they have a better potential. Like, okay, so I've been here before, I want to come back because now I have higher potential. But at the same time, with the higher potential, with the higher energy, the higher frequency, you're going to face a lot more obstacles than your preceding lifetime. So you're going to go through a lot of obstacles with this energy. Understand that the patience is key. Understand what your purpose is, to try and create something for the world as a whole. Y'all are here to help humanity as a whole, here to leave your mark, leave a legacy as a whole. Either you creating it or being a part of something, being a part of an organization, being a part of something that helps change the world, that helps innovate the world, that helps propel the world forward in a way, if that makes sense. Uranus is all about innovation, being different, and being eccentric. Actually embracing your eccentricity, embracing your indifference, embracing your non-normalness. And normal just means, mundane and sane. Embracing that, adding the 2 energies to make it more of a intuitive, more of a diplomatic, more of a we kind of energy, or like more of a world thinking kind of energy. Because number 4 could really be very self-absorbed or self-centered, not in I love myself so much and I'm just so obsessed with myself, but they want to crave and build something so they could be stable in this lifetime. So they kind of have a goal, they kind of have a self-driven goal orientation for themselves and what they need to do in this lifetime. But having a master number 22, you have to try to take that goal orientation, self-serving, to trying to serve humanity, trying to serve the world, trying to serve humanity, like I said. And now, hearing this, you might say, like, nah, I don't want to save the world, or nah, I just want to care about myself. I don't care about the world. I don't want to be, like, saving the world and all that. That's why a lot of times in my videos, I make my videos to keep in mind that everybody can listen to it, everybody can understand it and listen to it, but only a select few will actually hear what I'm saying. So if you're listening to it and you're like, nah, I'm not going to do all that, or my purpose is not to save the world, or I didn't come back here, yada yada, that means you're listening. You can listen, that's cool, only select people actually hear what I'm saying and actually do the self work and do their duty and fulfill their mission, which is actually to leave a mark in this reality. You can leave a mark in whichever way you seem fit. It doesn't have to be making a YouTube channel. It doesn't have to be doing what I kind of suggest. But in this lifetime, through experiences, because it's all about being patient, going through the motion, and actually building a foundation for yourself first by self realization, by building your intuitive spiritual self, and then being able to build something, master builder, that will help humanity as a whole, will put y'all in the teaching, make y'all have experience enough to be able to teach others and also help others propel themselves through the physical realm into spirituality. Because everything when it comes to master numbers has to go through the spirituality realm. You have to do things with intentions of trying to spiritually enlighten people, to spiritually move people. So building something, taking that goal oriented, taking that discipline, taking that self-serving nature of trying to build something for yourself, putting in mind that, okay, my mission is to actually try to help or propel humanity in a way, putting that in a way to build something and propel that outward is what your soul craves and urges in this lifetime. Now, relationships, similar to Solar's number 8, you need a partner that understands your need for work, or you understand your need for the mission, for the job, understands your need that your mind will not always be 24/7 in the connection. Your mind will be, I got to build something or I got to focus on something. So you need a partner that understands that, that's not too demanding. You also need to understand that you should not be so focused on that and forget your partner or forget the relationship. Because when it comes to 4 energy, which is the base of 22, foundation is key. Foundation is everything. So the best foundation you have, which is like a good relationship at home, your foundation at home. When you have a good foundation, that actually propels you and helps you move forward into actually carrying out your mission. So just keep that in mind. Don't try to be in relationships with demanding partners, but also when you find an understanding partner, y'all are automatically going to be very loyal and very stable and very disciplined in that relationship. Just look for an understanding partner that understands that you're not always going to be 24/7 affectionate, but also when you find that partner, that's when it's going to help you propel yourself into carrying out your mission, carrying out your purpose. So all in all, master number 22, Solar's number 22, your soul urges and craves to build something, to use its intuition, to help people, to kind of care for people. Number 2 energy likes to be second, which means they like to put other people first, so they have to care for people. And in this case, master numbers, you want to care for humanity, care for the world, your community, your immediate group. You want to care for people outside of yourself. Try not to be a lot of times godly complex or like I'm so smart or I'm the best at this. Y'all can have like a cockiness about you, which is y'all can have y'all can have a unhealthy cockiness or a godly complex when it comes to this placement. Just keep all that in check. Keep all that in mind. Understand your mission. Understand why you came back down here. Understand why you are doing what you're doing. Build a foundation within yourself. Be patient. It doesn't happen overnight. Be patient. Stick with the plan. Stick with your ideas that you're bringing into manifestation. Remember the moon with the Uranus coming together, 2 and the 4 coming together. Manifestations, ideas, intuition, energy, emotion coming to foundation, strict discipline, and physical, and bringing into physical reality. The spiritual and the physical coming together, bringing that into this reality. Keep all that in mind. The reason why you're here. Find an understanding partner, and you will realize how your soul will feel fulfilled. When we follow our soul urge energy, we will feel fulfilled, carry out the mission in this lifetime, in this reality. So that's my video on Solar's number 22. I hope y'all enjoyed that. My next video is going to be on the Solar's number 33. That's the last video of this series, and you already know I'm about to go in. If you have subscribed to my channel, appreciate all y'all for real, you already know. But if you still haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to... But if you still haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and handle that one time for your boy. Don't forget to drink your water, mind your business, and be safe out here. It's your boy Lil Finesse Jiggy Hippie. I'm going to see all y'all when I see y'all.